Okay, my good people, I'm making salad here. These are my carrot, red, green, yellow peppers, blanch, carrots, and onion. Okay, yes, let's do the salad. I'm going to pack it on the bowl. I'm going to pack it in the bowl. Okay, guys. First layer of onion. Second layer yellow peppers. Another layer. That's carrots. Now I'm going to put another layer again. I'm going to put the green, and then I put the red peppers, and then so on and so forth, guys, till I finish all the layers, all the vegetables, the peppers, the carrots, and the onions. This is my carrot salad, yeah, carrot and pepper salad.
Would you say that there's more assistance that's needed?
Imagine. Now, guys, we are pouring the sauce. We are pouring the sauce, the sauce, guys, while still hot. Okay. This is our sauce. We are pouring it in the salad. All right. And then after that, when it's cold, we'll put it in the fridge overnight at least.